Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making immediate, action-oriented choices. Pick landscape or 16:9 and mount the phone on a chest strap or head rig so the lens sits at eye level. Once attached, enable Do Not Disturb, lock exposure and focus, and select your frame rate and resolution, 4K/60 if you need smooth motion. Make sure stabilization is on if the phone offers it. Then start recording a short test clip to confirm horizon, framing, and audio before moving into the scene. Now focus on execution. Stabilize the phone with a gimbal or 2-point support to minimize jitter while you move. Walk the intended route once, marking where you will look and how fast you'll turn. Planning the POV line keeps composition steady. Use an external lavalier or shotgun mic near your body to capture clear narration and environmental sound, and record a backup audio file on a separate device. While recording, glance at the small corner monitor only briefly. Trust your test clip and stick to smooth, deliberate motions. Finish the take by stopping recording smoothly and reducing sudden movements to avoid exposure jumps. Once done, import files to your editor, sync the external audio via waveform, apply stabilization and crop minimally, then color-correct clips for consistent exposure. If you find footage too shaky, try digital stabilization or lower the shutter speed and reshoot with a gimbal. If audio is noisy, use the backup track and apply a high-pass filter. This final pass ensures a polished POV that feels natural and immersive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.